Okay, now we're going to look at some situations where we've been looking at one solution, but there's also a possibility where you have no solution or many solutions. So let's try the problems and I'll show you the difference. So of course we're going to put a box around this. We're going to do our distributive property. 3 times 2 is 6 equals 3x plus 6. Okay, and remember we want to get our variables together on one side. And notice when we do that, we get 6 equals 6. Well, this is a true statement. So, many solutions. Notice it doesn't say x equals or whatever. So many solutions. Sometimes we use the symbol all real. We can say identity, infinitely many, and so on. Okay, many solutions. Okay, so now let's look at the next one. So we want to get our variables together on one side. Cancels, cancels, we get 2 equals 4. Not a true statement. 2 is not equal to 4. So not a true statement. There's no solution. You're never going to find a number. You can keep on trying and substitute it in, and it will never equal each other. Okay, we also call it an empty set if you want to see that too. Okay, now let's look at another one. So I'm going to move this over to the other side. So I'm going to add 12 cubes. I don't want a negative. That cancels, and I get 4 equals 20q minus 6. I ran out of space here, so I'm going to put it over here. 4 equals 20q minus 6. And then I'm going to get the q by itself. Get 20q equals 10. I'm going to divide by 20. And q equals 1/2. Well, that's a one solution because we're saying q is 1/2 and it can only be 1/2. That is it. Okay, the other two I'm going to put on a separate sheet of paper because I don't have enough room here. So we're going to say 24 minus 6r equals 6 parentheses 4 minus r. Again, we're going to look on this side. Nothing we can do here, but we have distributive property. So let's rewrite this one. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times negative r is negative 6r. So we're going to get our variables together on one side. And so this one's a true statement. So that's a many solutions. That means no matter what number you put in there, it's going to work. And you can try it. You can substitute in 0, you can substitute in 10, you can substitute in 100, and you're going to get that to balance. Okay? And then I have one more. Negative 2, 6 minus 10n equals 10 times 2n minus 6. So over this side we have distributive property, and we do there too. So that's going to give us negative 12. A negative times a negative is a positive. We're going to get our variables together on one side. Okay, not a true statement. So no solution. No matter what number you try, you will never get that to balance.